In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Google Calendar tools in Relevance AI. We'll start by connecting Google Calendar to your Relevance AI account, because this integration needs to be active before you can use calendar actions inside a tool. After logging in, look to the left sidebar and open Integrations and API Keys. From there, find Google Calendar and click Connect. You'll then sign in with your Google account and approve the requested permissions. Once that process is complete, you should see Google Calendar marked as connected. That confirmation lets you know Relevance AI is ready to work with your calendar data. Next, we'll create a new tool. From the main dashboard, go to Build, then select Tools. Click New Tool and choose Build from Scratch. This gives you a blank tool setup so you can fully control how the calendar action works. Once the new tool is open, click Add Step. In the search bar, type Google Calendar, then select the Google Calendar integration from the results. After that, choose the specific action you want the tool to perform. Relevance AI gives you a range of options here, including creating an event, updating an event, deleting an event, getting event details, listing events, searching events, checking availability, finding available time, adding attendees, removing attendees, listing calendars, or creating a calendar. The action you choose should match the exact job you want the tool to handle. After selecting the action, configure it by filling in the required details. Depending on what you picked, this may include the calendar, event title, description, start date and time, end date and time zone, location, and guests or attendees. One useful tip here is to use input variables instead of fixed values whenever possible. That allows your AI agent to insert information dynamically, which makes the tool much more flexible and practical in real use. When everything is configured, test the tool by clicking Run Step. This is where you verify that the setup works correctly before using it in a live workflow. For example, you might create a test meeting, check available time slots, or retrieve upcoming events. If the result looks correct, go ahead and save the tool. Finally, attach the tool to your AI agent. Open the agent you want to use, navigate to the Tools section, and click Add Tool. Select the Google Calendar tool you just created, then save the agent. Once that's done, your agent will be able to use Google Calendar whenever it receives a relevant request.